Hello everyone. Hope you're all doing good. All are safe, healthy, and staying indoors. So today I'll talk about Dinacharya, daily regimen. In my last video, I told you I'll be continuing about Panchakarma, but considering the current situation, this would be much helpful for you guys. So what is Dinacharya? According to Ayurveda, this actually refers to the daily regimen. Dina means day and Charya means the regimen. So this is considered to be an Ayurvedic daily routine of life and recommendations. Daily routine helps in maintaining balance and harmony and giving you a healthier lifestyle. It helps in a proper digestion, absorption and assimilation of food. So do you guys want to live a healthier life? We have to follow Dinacharya. So these are the Dinacharyas which we have to follow. The first Dinacharya or the first step we have to follow is waking up in the morning. So one has to wake up in Brahma Muhurta, that is early sunrise. In Ayurvedic ancient text, it is referred as time between 3:30 to 5. So this may differ according to different countries and according to regimen or season. So you have to decide what time you have to get up. This one should fix according to the biological clock. You have to get up early morning to be healthy. Ideal time to get up is 3 to 4. This may differ according to the disease, pregnant ladies and kids. Waking up in the early morning gives a healthier lifestyle, makes yourself fresh. The new grown tissues will be fresh and rejuvenated. So make a habit of waking up early. One has to see to one thing that you have digested your previous day meal properly. So without digesting the previous day meal, one should not get up in the early morning. So that doesn't mean you have to get up late. That actually refers you have to have a early and healthier dinner. So the second point which we comes to is praying. We have to pray to our Creator who have given this life to us. Third thing is evacuation of waste particles from our body. After waking up, we have to evacuate urine and bowels. This urge should commence of its own. We should never force to evacuate. Medicine can be used for people who have constipation or other bowel regulatory problems. Passing or evacuation of bowel is very important for the healthier life. It may cause bloating of the abdomen, which may cause to various other disorders or diseases. Third thing is which we do is brushing of the teeth. So you might be thinking what is the difference of a daily regimen and the normal lifestyle which we are following right now. So brushing of the teeth, we have to use neem sticks, mango leaves and bricks of Arjuna, tree Arjuna. This will help you to clean your mouth, strengthen your gums. Also, that basic digestion process starts right from our mouth. Once we put the food in our mouth, the digestion process starts. So you should have a healthier tongue and teeth for the sake of healthier digestion. You might be thinking why I'm focusing on digestion. Because the basic energy which we get from food is from proper digestion. And most of the disease in Ayurveda starts from stomach. So if you have a proper bowel system and proper digestion, you will have a healthier lifestyle. Coming back again to the brushing of the teeth. You can use all these things or you can use Triphala powder. Triphala which contains 3 ingredients. Terminalia cebula, Terminalia bellarica and Emblica officinalis. Why I am using botanical names? So it can be used by or referred by everyone. So Amlaki, Vibhitaki and Haritaki. So this is considered to be the best for brushing of the teeth. This also helps to boost your immunity. This can be also used for various other purposes, but brushing of the teeth, Triphala, mango leaves and neem barks can be used. The next thing is cleaning of our tongue. Why we should focus on the cleaning of our tongue? There may be a lot of dirt particles or bacteria present on the tongue. So scraping of tongue is very important. So using of plastics is not at all advisable. because most of us know the side effects of plastics. So we can go for metals. Copper, bronze, gold and silver can be used. This can also be used according to the affordability of one. One of the best is gold, considered as gold, but you can also go for copper tongue scrapers, which is available in the market. So you have to clean the tongue and then go for a mouth gargling, which is called as Gandusha. So mouth gargling can basically done with claw water, cardamom water, or even with salt water. But we have a Thailam in Ayurveda which we call as Arimedadi Thailam. This can be used as morning Gandusha. This actually helps to kill the unwanted bacteria in the mouth and improves the taste buds and gives you good taste. So this is another thing. Next, after cleansing of the mouth and evacuation of the bowel, we come next to the process of taking bath. So before taking bath, one has to go for a oil application of its own. So we have to consult a physician and know our constitution and prakriti. So one can buy a particular or good Ayurvedic oil from the market, and then you have to apply it all over the body. Leave it for 30 minutes, then go for a warm water bath. You can also use little bit of turmeric powder and neem leaves in the water. This acts as a disinfectant. This system can be done day by day. This should not be done only on a single day or only during a pandemic time. This can be continued throughout your life period. You will slowly know the changes. After taking bath, one should have a very light meal. I mean the breakfast which we are having. Don't go for cold items. Always go for hot food and freshly cooked food. Very healthy food you should go for, and very easily digestible. Each person differs according to the digestive power. One might have a very good digestive power, one might have a very low digestive power. So you can eat accordingly. Fill half of your stomach with food, little bit of water, which will keep you a healthier day. So continue with this. You can also include the drinking water which you have. You can either go for cumin water or turmeric water in these days, which will keep you healthy and also improves your immunity. So hope this video has helped you all, you guys. Keep watching and keep tuned. Thank you.